Hi, I'm Dr. Alex Morgan. Do you know what's on your plate? Get ready, because today I'm going to reveal the 10 most nutritious foods you need to know about. 1. Wild salmon. They call it brain food, and for good reason. Rich in omega-3s, wild salmon helps reduce inflammation, improve memory, and protect the heart. But there's a secret. Most salmon sold in supermarkets are farmed, fed artificial feed and dyes. The difference between wild and farmed salmon is the difference between medicine and poison. 2. Kale. They call it the queen of leaves. A single kale leaf contains enough vitamins A, C, K, calcium, iron, and antioxidants to strengthen the immune system and cleanse the blood. It's like a plant-based shield against cellular aging. But few realize if grown in contaminated soil, it absorbs heavy metals. What heals can also eat away at you from the inside. 3. Blueberries. These little blue spheres carry the power of regeneration. Rich in anthocyanins, they fight free radicals molecules that accelerate degeneration of the body and brain. Studies show they can improve memory and slow aging. It's almost as if nature created a youth pill, disguised as a fruit. 4. Walnut. Hard on the outside, inside the perfect shape of a human brain. Coincidence? They are sources of good fats, selenium, magnesium, and vitamin E, all crucial for the nervous system. They improve focus, balance hormones, and reduce the risk of heart disease. But remember, in excess, any medicine becomes a poison. Eating too much can overload the liver. Balance is key. 5. Organic eggs. One of the most complete foods on the planet. A single egg contains all the essential vitamins, plus choline, crucial for the brain and metabolism. The problem lies in what you don't see. Eggs from confined hens contain fewer nutrients and more toxins. An egg can be a nutritional bomb or a capsule of decay. The difference lies in its origin. 6. Avocado. They call it the fruit of silent strength. It's loaded with monounsaturated fats, the same ones found in olive oil, which help protect the heart and balance hormones. It also contains potassium, vitamin E, and antioxidants that keep the brain functioning at its peak. But there's a curious detail. Avocado is one of the few foods that nourishes the body and calms the mind. Stable energy, no sugar spikes, no internal chaos. 7. Quinoa. An ancient grain revered by the Andean peoples. It contains all 9 essential amino acids, something rare in the plant world. It's a source of pure protein, fiber, magnesium, and iron. While the modern world is filled with ultra-processed foods, quinoa remains there, simple, intact, indestructible. Eating quinoa is like reconnecting with an ancient wisdom that humanity has tried to forget. 8. Broccoli. They call it banal, I call it underrated. Broccoli contains sulforaphane, a compound capable of activating cellular defense genes and eliminating toxins. It reduces the risk of cancer, strengthens the liver, and boosts the immune system. But here's the detail that almost no one knows. To unleash its full power, it needs to be chewed raw or lightly cooked. Overcook it, and you destroy its most valuable ingredient. 9. Chia. Tiny seeds, gigantic power. Rich in fiber, omega-3s, and protein, chia helps control appetite, reduce cholesterol, and stabilize blood sugar levels. But few understand its true power. When mixed with water, it creates a gel that slows digestion, a natural mechanism for sustaining energy and preventing cravings. It's a metabolic defense built into it by nature itself. 10. Sweet potato. Simple, rustic, but with a power few recognize. Rich in complex carbohydrates, vitamin A, manganese, and fiber, sweet potatoes provide clean, long-lasting energy. Unlike refined sugar, they are non-addictive, non-destructive. They nourish. That's why they were the food of warriors and athletes long before the modern era. They are the fuel of endurance. These foods are more than nutrients. They are biological codes, keys hidden in nature to keep the human body in balance. But the modern world has taught you to forget them, replacing the real with the processed, the vital with the artificial. You still have a choice to eat like a human being or to consume like a product. I am Dr. Alex Morgan, and this was The Knowledge No One Wants You to Know.